And sir, my name is Maricar Pagdilaw Gagliarde. I'm 26 years old. I'm married. I have a child, 8 years old. I was born March 3, 1998. I live in Tarlac, Philippines. I have 3 sisters and 2 brothers. I'm a Catholic. I'm a high school graduate. I have a working experience in Kuwait for 2 years. I'm serving 11 members of the families, including 9 adults and 2 children. The ages, 47 years old, 53 years old, 29, 28, 27, 26, 19, 18, 13, and 8 years old. My main duties and responsibilities are washing clothes, car washing, gardening, marketing, taking care of pets, taking care of children. I'm a happy person, understanding, responsible, honest, love, and dedicated to my work. To my future employer, I hope you to choose me and serve to your family. I promise I will do my best and I follow all the rules in your house. I will treat you and love your children as my own as well. And I will work with you in a long term. Thank you and God bless.